Welcome back to our channel. Today we're talking about how to use your time wisely. First, identify your top priorities and focus on those tasks. Set specific goals for each day to stay on track. Utilize time management tools like calendars and to-do lists. Avoid multitasking as it can decrease productivity. Take breaks to recharge and maintain focus. Eliminate distractions like social media and unnecessary notifications. Delegate tasks when possible to free up your time. Learn to say no to requests that do not align with your goals. Create a routine that helps you stay organized and efficient. Prioritize self-care activities to maintain a healthy work-life balance.